Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in lesson 7. We're still in topic 1, and today's lesson number 7. So please open your book, page 29 and 30. So what we have today, make a 10 to subtract. As a previous lesson, if you remember, we made a 10 to add. So we have the 2 10 frames. We make one 10 frame 10, and then we put the second addend on the second 10 frames, and we add them together. Today we're going to make the 10 to subtract. So let's see what we have here. "14 ladybugs are on a leaf. 6 ladybugs fly away. How can thinking about 10 help you find how many ladybugs are left?" So for this one, we need to find 14 take away 6, but we need to use our 10 frames. So we need to make 10. So there's 2 ways. The first one is we start with our small addend, which is a 6. So the big addend is a 14, take away 6. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the 6. So let's put our 6. Okay. Now remember what was the lesson about? To make 10. So we need to make 10. All right, so let's use to make 10 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 10, right? All right. From this 10, what did I do? So this 10, I need to reach 14 because that's my total number. So what I'm going to do, I know that I have 10. I need to add 4 more to make 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 10. And then 4 more, I have my total 14. All right. Remember, what was my equation? 14 take away 6. Now let's count how many I have here. How many stamps I put here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 take away 6 equals 8. These are the 8 that I got them when I made the 10 and when I put the rest over here. So that was the first way or first step if we can use it. So in this case, we always start with the smaller addend. Okay, let's clear this and look for the second way. The second way is, or another way is to start with your bigger addend. So what we're gonna do, it's 14. I'm gonna make it only 10, right? So first, let me put the 14. This is my first 10 frame, so this is 10, and then I'm gonna put 4 more. This is my total, 14, right? So what I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna start to take away my 4 from the second 10 frame because I only need 1 10 frame. So let me use, so I'm taking away this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 10, right? Okay. What am I using? I need to remove. I need to take away also. Total was 6. I took away 4. I still have 2 more to make my 6. The first part here in my equation. So now I took away 6. Can I count how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I start from my smaller addend, or I start using my bigger addend, both ways, it has to give me the same answer. All right. So let's go for page 30. Let's read the example we have. So 13 take away 7, we can use 10 to help you subtract. So the one way is start with the 7, as we say here, start with 6, and add 3 to get to 10. So this was a 7, and now add 3 more, we made a 10. So now we have the 10 frame. Next, add 3 more to make 13. Why 13? Because my total number, or the big number that I'm subtract, is 13. In our previous example, it was 14. All right. So you have now that total number 13. And now you're going to count how many did you add. We add 3 to make 10 and 3 more to make 13. So count the yellow counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13 take away 7 equals 6. Another way is to start with the 13, which is your big addend. So what we're going to do, we need to make the 13 10. Same as the previous example, 14 we made 10. So what we do, you put your 13 in the two 10 frames, and then you're going to cross the extra to only have 10. After that, since 3 plus 4 equals 7, to subtract 4 more, because this is your equation, 13 take away 7. You already took away 3, you need to take away total 7. So how many you need to take? 4 more. And you're gonna cross 4 more counters, and that will leave you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So back to your first equation, 13 take away 7, your answer is 6. Okay, let's go for, do you prefer, convince me, do you prefer to add first to get to 10 or subtract first to get to 10? So you have two ways. For example, I like to, the first way, which is add to do the 10 and then after that subtract it. So I would, myself, I like the first step or the first way, but then the choice is yours. All right, let's see. Guided practice. Make a 10 to subtract. Use counters and your work mat. So this is the 10 frames you have. You can use counters, or you can just color or put dots or, you know, stickers, whatever you have. So first add to get to 10. So now you want you to do this way. 15 take away 8. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna make 10. So that's what you have, your 8. And then you're gonna add 2, you made it now 10. So now you have 10 frames. And how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 more. We're gonna say 10 plus the 5 that you added in your second 10 frames, and that will give you your answer. So 15, what you're gonna do, you're gonna count all the counters we just drew, the dotted one. So I have, for the first 10 frame, I have 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. So 15 take away 8 equals 7. Okay, the second way we have subtract to get 10. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna put all your number, 16 take away 7. So you're gonna put your 16 on your 2 10 frames, and then you're gonna cross the number that you need to subtract, which is 7. So you're gonna cross the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're gonna use 1 from the top there, is 7. So how many you have left? How many did you take? Very good, 6. So to make 10, you take away 6. So 16 take away 6 equal 10. And then what happened? And then you take away 1 more because your subtraction equation or the second addend is 7, right? To make it 10, what did I do? I crossed all the 6, all the extra to have 1 10 frame. So I crossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna say here, 16 take away 16 take away 6 equals 10, right? But what was my equation? 16 take away 7. How many do I need to take away to make 7, one more, and that's the one that they cross it from the first 10 frame. So here we're gonna put 1. Now let's count how many we have. The first 10 frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So back to my equation, 16 take away 7 equals 9. All right, let's go. Turn the page and go to our independent practice, page 31 and 32. Now, this is your 10. Make a 10 to subtract. Use counters and your work mat. Your work mat or the sheet you have, the one you're going to draw, the 10 frames, and then you're going to use it. You can use different colors, will help you to subtract and get your answer. And always you can go back to the previous page and look, or watch the video again. Decide what you're going to do. Are you going to work with the smaller number to make 10, or you're going to work with your bigger addend and subtract to make 10? Okay. Let's go for number 16, page 32. Chen used tools. Chen had 12 animal stickers. He gave five of the stickers away. How many animal stickers does Chen have now? So this is easy subtract. So you can do the 10 frames and the counters. And then you're going to have 12, and you're going to cross 5, then you're going to count them. Okay, or you're going to use the lesson we learned today, and you're going to make 10, and then either you start from the small number and add to make 10, or you start from the 12 and cross out 2 to make 10. All right, number 17, use tools. Angie thought 13 strawberries. Angie bought 13 strawberries. She ate 8 of the strawberries. How many strawberries does Angie have now? So total 13, she ate away 8. So again, you go back to the 10 frames and you have your answer. All right, 13, x across 8, the 8 that you ate, and the left will be your answer here. Okay, show how you can make a 10 to find 17, take away 9. Then explain your work. So that you have 2 boxes here. So this box you will be drawing that 10 frame. And then you will write your explanation here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start from the 9, add 1 more to get 10. And then now you have 10. Let me see if I I'll draw. Let's see your 10 frame. And yeah, go like this, do the same. I know you will do better job than me. Oops, okay, like this. Okay, this is your 10 frame. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna start with at 9. So you're gonna add 1 more to make 1 10 frame. Oops, I don't need this. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to make 10, right? So here's my 10. And then I will add the 1 more to get the 10. Then I'm going to add 7 more to get 17, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have 17, right? What are we going to do? What did I add? I added 1 here and I added 7 here. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 17 take away 9 equals 8. All right. Number 19, use the temp frame, show how to make 10 to find 15, take away 9. You have your temp frame here. So they tell you what you start by subtracting to get to 10. So you have 15, you need to subtract, you have to take away counters to make 10. So you know, minus, you'll find out. And then after that, how many we need to take? Total 9. You already took away 5. How many more counters do I need to take to be able to know that I took away 5? I took away 9. I will take away 4 more. And now you find your answer. 15, take away 9. You count how many counters left. All right. That's it for today, second graders. Thank you. Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are still on topic 1. Today's lesson, lesson 8. So please look at your book, page 33. Practice addition and subtraction facts. So today we're not learning anything new. We're just going to recall, remember, reuse the information that we learned. We'll try to find answers, but we have strategies in our head, like you know the relation between the addition and subtraction, or you might use double or near double to help you to find your answer quickly. So for example, page 33, we have write 4 related facts that use both numbers 7 and 9 as quickly as you can. Hold up your hand when you're done. All right. So for example, I have 7 and 9. So I can do addition and I can do related addition, which is fact, and I can think addition to subtract. So this is what we use. Or I can also, in different examples, I can use doubles or near doubles. So let's see what we can use for this one. All right. So I have 7 and 9. So I can do 7, and I have my symbols here. My 7, my symbol. So 7, and then 9. So I can draw if I want to. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I can just add. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. So I can put my answer here. Okay. I know that if I change the addend and I start with the big one, add the smaller, I'm still going to get the same answer. So I'm going to do that as another way. I'm going to say 9 plus 7. Still my answer will be the same, 16. Okay, so that's the addition fact. So now let's use the information I have here and think addition to subtract. So what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna start with my big number 16, my sum or total. 16 take away the 9, for example. Start with the 9. The answer will be, very good, 7. And I can start with 16 again. Take away, this time I'll take away 7. What do you think your answer will be? Your answer will be 9. Okay, let's go for the next page and do the guided practice together. Let's read our example. All right. Practice your basics facts to recall them quickly. Find 7 minus 4. Thinking of strategies to help you practice the facts. So one way subtract is to think addition. So for example, here what we have, your total 7, one addend or one part is 4, which is one of the sides. So we need to find out the missing part. So what we're going to do, you think in addition, like, oh, what plus 4 give me 7? So we count, and then you know that 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, or 7 take away 4 equals 3, or 7 take away 3 equals 4. All right. Also, knowing double facts can help you. So find 4 plus 5. I know my double 4. So double 4 is 8, plus 1, 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. So all what we need to doing for this lesson, we're just recalling and practicing the basics facts that we cover to do subtraction or addition. And like that will be easy and fast for you to do your examples. So let's do together number 1, 14 take away 9. So again, that means something plus 9 equals 14. So you can count after 9 and you find the number. Number 2, 17 take away 9. We can say, for example, the doubles or near doubles. So you can say 9 plus 9. I know double 9 is 18, but one of them is less than 8. So it's 1. So it's going to be 9 plus 8. Now number 3, 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7. How many I'm going to add to get 10? So you can use the 10 frames, and then you're going to add the 2 more. All right. Number 4, 10 take away 5. If I know my doubles, I know that 10 take away 5 will be 5. Why? Because I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 take away 0. I know if you have a number and you take away 0, it's going to be the same number. So I don't need to calculate. I don't need to draw something. No, I know any number minus 0, it's going to be the same number. We have here number 6, the doubles, 9 plus 9. So I know double 9, that's mean 9, count 9 twice. Now number 7, 12 take away 4. So I can go what we cover on the 10 frames. Remember, you go after the small number to make 10, and then you add the difference. So you have different ways. Today's lesson, you're not doing anything new. We're not learning anything new. We're just recalling and using the information that we learned before. All right, let's go to the next page. Page 35, independent practice. So add or subtract, use any strategy. So whatever you like, you just do it. So for example, 14 take away 7. If you know your double, so that's mean something plus 7 equals 14. I know it's double 7, 14. That's mean 14 minus 7 equals 7. Here, number 14s, 3 plus 0. I know if I add any number to the 0 or I take away any 0 from the numbers remain the same. So if I say 3 take away 0, it's going to be 3. If I say 3 plus 0, it's going to be 3. So I know when I have the 0, that's mean my number will remain the same. So I don't need to add. I just can put it right away. Number 15, 8 plus 7. So I know my doubles. I know near doubles. I know 7, double 7 is 14. Now I have 8. That's mean one more. So it's going to be 15 and so on. So just find a strategy that will help you to add or subtract. So as I say, nothing new, it's just practicing what we covered before. All right, let's go for page 36. Okay. Danielle had 17 pieces of paper. She changed 8 of pieces by cutting them. How many pieces were not changed? Write an equation. So what do you think? Addition or subtraction? She has 17 pages of paper, and then she changed 8 of them. That's mean we need to find out the paper that were not changed. So 17, take away the 8, and then your answer will be there. Diego saw 3 frogs on a rock. He also saw 3 frogs in the grass. How many frogs did Diego see in all? First, you ask yourself, in this equation, addition or subtraction? Let me recall the information again. He saw 5, and then he saw 7 more. That means addition. So I'm going to say 7 plus 5. All right, number 36. Glenn counts on to solve 9 plus something equal 14. Explain how he can do this. What's the missing addend? So we know Glenn will start with, he has to start with beginning with number 9 and then count on until he gets to 14. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember the number line? So that will be the number line, the way you use it. And after counting on how many step or how many jump we did, we count them, they're 5. So the missing addend would be 5. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. Okay, 37. Choose a strategy to find 11 take away 8. Explain how you use a strategy to find the difference. So you can use any one, any strategy that you feel it's easy. Is the related between addition and subtraction? So you say 11 take away 8 equals, that means something plus 8 equals 11. So what you're going to do, you think of addition to subtract. So you're going to say what plus 8 equals 11. I know, counting on after 8, that's mean 9, 10, 11. That's mean 3. So 11 take away 8 equals 3. This is a simple way. All right. Okay, so today's lesson was really nice, fast, and easy. All what you do is just choose a strategy that help you to find your answer for your equation, if it's addition or subtraction. All right, that's it for today, second graders. Thank you.